In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in CapCut quickly and easily, even if you're just getting started. Cropping is one of the simplest ways to clean up your footage, remove unwanted edges, and make your video fit the exact look you want for YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Instagram, or any other platform. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is ready. The first thing you need to do is select your video. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline, and once it appears there, click directly on the clip to highlight it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit before it gives you the crop options. Now that your video is selected, the next step is to open the crop tool. Look at the horizontal toolbar just above your timeline. In that toolbar, you'll see a crop icon, which usually looks like a square cropping tool. Click on that icon to open the cropping controls. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the toolbar carefully, because it's right there among the editing tools you'll use most often. Once the crop tool is open, you'll see a cropping frame appear around your video. This is where you can start adjusting exactly what parts of the video you want to keep. For a freeform crop, simply drag the white handles on the corners and edges inward. As you move those handles, you'll remove the unwanted parts of the video and focus on the area you actually want viewers to see. Take your time here and watch the preview as you crop. If you are trying to remove empty space, black bars, or distracting objects from the edges, this is the moment to do it. You can drag the frame from the sides, the top, the bottom, or all four corners until the composition looks right. The goal is to make your video cleaner, more polished, and better framed for your audience. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always adjust the crop again until it looks perfect. That's one of the best things about editing in CapCut. You can experiment freely without ruining your project. Just keep dragging the handles until your subject is centered and the unwanted parts are out of view. After you're happy with the crop, confirm the change by applying it. Once the crop is set, your video will update in the timeline and the preview window, showing only the portion you selected. At this point, you can continue editing, add text, music, transitions, or export the final video when you're done. And that's how to crop a video in CapCut. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and super useful whenever you need to improve the framing of your content. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.